How to create a light burst or dreamy effect in After Effects. Creating a dreamy or light burst effect in After Effects is easy and gives your video a cool look. It can also work as a transition. Let's get started. First, you need some footage. I have my footage from Envato Elements, link in the description. Now, add an effect to your footage. Go to Effects and Presets and look for CC Light Burst 2.5. Add it to your footage. It gives your video a dreamy vibe and you can tweak it. To make it dreamier, add a keyframe for ray length at the beginning of the timeline. I set mine at more than 100, but feel free to try different values. 10. Move forward in the timeline and set the value of 0. Make it smoother by selecting the keyframes and pressing F9 for making it easy ease. Now go to the graph editor and follow what I do with the graph. Play around with it to get the look you want. Now you have a nice effect. Next, create a keyframe for intensity with a high value to make it even dreamier. I set my at 420, but you can experiment with it. A bit later in the timeline, set another keyframe close to the ray length keyframe with a value of 0. That's an amazing effect. You can also use it for a zoom in effect. So set the first keyframe of ray length to -222. Experiment with it to find what looks best. Now go to the effects and presets and find the motion tell plugin. Add it above the CC Light Burst plugin. Set output wide and output height to 400 and check mirror edges. It will look much better now. Don't forget to turn on motion blur for a smoother effect. There you go, you've created an awesome light burst dreamy effect in After Effects. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.